Christmas salad. In a pan, add water, then 2 chicken breasts, leeks, quarter carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover and let cook for about 15 minutes. Tell me which Christmas recipe you're going to make at your house. I would love to know. After this time, take the chicken breasts out of the pan, put on a board, and start to shred, this way. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Joyce Denzel from Kenya. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. In a pot of water, add 250 grams of pasta, half teaspoon of salt, stir, cover the pot and let cook. In a bowl, add 100 grams of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of mayo, half teaspoon of black pepper, and stir vigorously until smooth. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home, and then come back here to tell me what you thought. In a baking dish, add the shredded chicken, then the pasta, quarter of chopped green and red bell pepper, parsley to taste, half chopped carrot, 100 grams of corn, and finally the mixture that we prepared a little while ago. Sprinkle on top of everything oregano to taste and toss. And our Christmas salad is ready. Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!